As with any type of in-ear products, keeping them clean is an essential part of them working properly for years to come. Daily cleaning. So let's start with the things you can do daily to keep your hearing aids clean. After removing them from your ears, you can use the soft cloth that came with your kit, soft tissue, or hearing aid wipes to wipe off any wax you see on the click sleeves. If you have some wax that is harder to remove, you can use the included brush to brush away the areas that just don't wipe off. The next step is to gently brush around the microphones to remove any buildup. Pro tip: if you use hairspray or other spray-on products close to your ear, remove your hearing aids first. Spray can build up and clog the mics fairly rapidly, affecting the performance of your hearing aids. Now, if you have a rechargeable set, you will also want to clean the charging contacts on the hearing aids and the charger. Buildup of wax on these contacts can cause charging issues with your hearing aids. To clean them, you can use the soft cloth and brush included in the kit. You can also clean the contacts with hearing aid wipes if the cloth and brush fail to remove debris, but this is not recommended for daily cleaning. Of course, do not use or submerge them in water or use alcohol to clean them. Advanced cleaning. If you have low or no sound, clean click sleeve. Okay, now let's dive into the more advanced cleaning tips for those of you experiencing low or no sound. To get started, make sure you have a new or fully charged battery. This may seem simple, but it's a good place to start. Next, we're going to clean the click sleeves, but this time, we're going to remove them. To do this, take 3 fingers, grip down at the end of the hearing aid, and pull the sleeve straight off. The C10 and E10 use click sleeves, so you'll feel or hear a click when removing them. For the CRE C20, you will not hear or feel a click when removing them as they do not use click sleeves. Once removed, hold each sleeve to the light and make sure the holes are clear. If you see vents on the sleeves like this, you can ignore those. What you want to check are the sound holes, which are located right here. If you can't see through the sound holes, use the soft cleaning cloth and the brush included with your hearing aids to try and remove wax or debris. If you can't see light shining through them after cleaning, replace them with a new sleeve. Also, it's a good idea to set up a calendar reminder to change the sleeves every 3 months, regardless if you can see through them or not. Changing the wax guard. A hearing aid wax guard is a small plastic screen that covers the speaker of a hearing aid to prevent earwax, dust, and moisture from getting inside the device and clogging or damaging it. Note that this section is not labeled "Clean your wax guard." That's because you can't clean a wax guard by brushing it, and it's almost impossible to visually see if it's clogged, so it's best to change it. Another quick tip here: do not stick anything into the wax guard, such as the metal pick or the cleaning tool, as this can cause it to become stuck inside the hearing aid. We also recommend replacing the sleeves at the same time as the wax guard to ensure the best possible sound quality. How to remove or replace with the stick. When you order new wax guards, they will come attached to this little stick. The C20 uses Signia NanoCare 3.0 wax guards, and the C10 and E10 use Signia Mini Receiver wax guards. It's important to purchase the correct ones because most wax guards look very similar, but they're not interchangeable. The other end of the stick is empty, and that is the end you will want to remove your wax guard with. Insert the empty end of the stick into your hearing aid's current wax guard and gently twist the stick 2 to 3 times. Then slowly pull the stick away from the hearing aid to remove the old wax guard. Then take the other end of the stick with the new wax guard and insert it into your hearing aid. Gently pull the stick away from the hearing aid and the wax guard should remain. You can then attach the new sleeve to the hearing aids. Just make sure the sleeve tab is on the outside of the hearing aid. How to remove with a fingernail. If you don't have replacement wax guards on hand and you want to test if the wax guard is the issue, you can remove them with your fingernail. Before you do, keep in mind if this fixes the issue, you will need to order wax guards right away, as it's not advised to use your hearing aids without them. Okay, to test this out, you will need to remove the sleeves and then use your fingernail like this to remove the wax guard. Please dispose of the used wax guard and do not reuse them. Install newer clean sleeves and then test out the hearing aids for sound quality. If this has fixed the issue, you know you need new wax guards. Again, as tempting as it might be, It's not advised to wear your hearing aids without the wax guards, as the speakers can become clogged and might be permanently damaged. If you're still having any issues, please contact us. We're here to help. If you want to see those instructions written out, I will leave some links below for that as well. Thanks for watching.